Heyco, everybody. That was corny. We've got a box from KC Tool. And I was on my recent tear of buying new screwdrivers, and I stumbled across KC Tool. I bought my, oops, sorry, I hit the little thing. I bought my precision screwdriver rack for my Wehas from these guys, and they sent me a little pamphlet in the box, and it had a picture of something that completely blew my mind. Beauty. Pure, unbridled gorgeousness in the form of whatever the heck these are. So I stumbled, these were on sale this month. Seasonal tool sale, see? There we go. Yeah. Heco, Germany. Beautiful. Oh my lord. These things are gorgeous. Now, are these going to be the best screwdrivers in the world? I doubt it. They were fairly, this set was like 35 bucks. It was on sale, like a substantial discount. Oh boy. Look at that. Emerald green, plastic kryptonite, chrome, vanadium from Germany. Germany. I don't know what that's West Germany? I don't know. But look at that. Really, you know, the handles, they're a little small and they're slick, but they are squared a bit. So I mean, you have no problem torquing down, you know, with these things. But look at that satin chrome finish, satin nickel, whatever. It's got the little you know, oxide tip there. It's, you know, if we compare it to, let's say, you know, a lovely Weha, the Weha's big and bulbous, definitely more grip. This rubber over time, though, if you get chemicals on it, oils, some of the, maybe the paint thinners we use, anything like that, goops and schmooze will eat away at that rubber over time. But again, beautiful, smooth, satin finish chrome. But we'll put the Weha away, because woo, today is Heco day. And we got the 7-piece set. Oh my god, they're gorgeous! They're lovely. You don't get beautiful acrylic tools anymore. Oh man. Phillips number 2. They have a lot of posi drives. Be careful when you're ordering that you don't order posi drives. Posi drive is a great bit, but not for what we do down here. Look at this little Phillips 1. This is on the verge of precision now. Look at these little. Oh my god, these are going to be fighting for position with my my Weha precision flatheads. Oh, this is so cute. See that? Yeah, the logo wasn't really applied perfectly well on that. I may bring that to the attention of KC Tool. Maybe they'll do something. Swap out that screwdriver. Oh, these are gorgeous. So this came with a lot, as you can tell, a lot of flatheads, but only 2 Phillips heads. And honestly, they have free shipping over $75. And over a certain amount, you get a cool sticker pack. We will go over that shortly. But we've got, oh, so many beautiful stubby. All right, that's a Phillips 1 stubby. Man, oh, they're so cool. It's just the green acrylic. It brings back memories of like some of my dad's old tools, you know, that he had from who knows when. But a lot of the, oh man, look at that baby little flathead stubby. That is cool. This is going to probably come in handy. But yeah, his old tools, whatever brands they were, you know, Stanley and the whatnot with all their, the old Craftsmans. Oh, these are lovely. Phillips 2. Man, I might have been drinking when I ordered. Let's see what we got here. We got a Phillips 0, so yet another precision, redundant screwdriver, but I don't care. These things are beautiful. We've got a, oh yeah, the spinner. So this is for your little 1/4-inch sockets, just to do little things. So like this is perfect if you do need a socket on something, let's say to put together some IKEA furniture, or something fairly delicate where, you know, you just need a little torque. That's perfect for that. Oh man, look at this sucker. Jeez. This is massive. Whoa, uh-oh. We knocked over We knocked over the RX. Oh, he face planted on his rifle. You poor little guy. Phillips number 4. Yeah, you know, sometimes the logos are a little, little boogered there. There's a little scuffs on here. A little scuffy. A little quality control. These are some of the cheapest screwdrivers you can get from Germany. I bought them purely because of the green handles. This big number 4 Phillips. I don't know if I've ever needed a number 4 Phillips, like an actual use, but I needed to have it, apparently. So there we go. And let me see here. What do we got? We got a 4mm flathead. They measure their flatheads in millimeters. This is a lovely little long reach precision guy. That's nice. Beautiful. How many screwdrivers did you order, Ian? Oh my god. I'll tell you one thing. This entire order was like $100 for everything that you're seeing here. Total. So really, these are a value tool from Germany. And there's almost nobody on YouTube that's reviewed anything from Heyco. Oh, another boogered logo. I don't like that. A Phillips number 3, also with the little assistance bit for wrenching down. So that's cool. I'm a little upset about some of those logos, though. I'll be honest with you. I'm going to bring that up to KC Tool. They're probably going to be like, okay, look, a bit of thanks. Haha. KC, you're funny. Complimentary German-made number 2 Phillips bit by Witt Tools, or Witt, because the W's are like V's in Germany. Thank you for your business. Oh, very sweet. Nice. And that's it. That's it. All that's in the box, and other than the sticker packs, what do we got here? The KC Tool sticker. Nice. Picard. Don't know. Not really sure what brand this is, but it's cool. Hey, we got a little Heco sticker. Perfect. Right there. Stabila. Okay. Has it? Vera. Those handles and that rubber in there. I've seen bad things happen to those over a number of years from some other channels. AVE in particular. Fellow. Oh, look. Bull. For Ian's bullshit. No, I'm... Stalville. I'm getting better at pronouncing. Kinepix. Oh, awesome. Look at that. There we go. We got our Cobras right here. Nice. And then we got NWS. And we got Gador or Jador. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's all these German tool companies that KC Tools sells. I'll put a link in the description. They're not paying me. I paid them. And I'm going to complain a little about the logos being kind of boogery on some of these tools. But again, these are, oh man, massive and inexpensive. I don't know if I have my price sheet here. No, my invoice doesn't, my packing slip doesn't show the prices, but you could, this entire bundle here for less than $100 for German made. They appear to be quality-wise. Let me break out number 2 Phillips with this number 2 Phillips. Yeah, I mean, the finish on the tools is not quite as perfect as the Vihas, but everything, this feels almost identical. And it's a major upgrade from our old garbage screwdrivers. We just had a pile of junk. Let me bring them over. It'll be fun. Be right back. Well, here's the pile that I've accumulated. We got some, first we got some garbage Pittsburghs. I don't know, I was probably somewhere and I needed a screwdriver, so I bought a whole set to get one. Probably at work, out in the field. And then we got our, obviously we got 3 of these stupid things. You get these with every, Craftsman made in USA though, at least. I've had Craftsman tools for a very long time. So all of these are actually USA made tools. The Craftsman Professional with these rubber overmolds. I use them as hammers sometimes. You know, just bam, bam, bam. Why not? I don't have a big one of these flatheads. I didn't order that from KC Tool. This is the biggest flathead I have from KC Tool. But these are all USA made Craftsman Professionals. Here's some more USA made Craftsman Professionals, or Craftsman as a lot of people call them. Some of the rubber on some of these is starting to get a little weird. I've heard of things breaking down. I mean, these are they're fine, you know, they're the old school, they work, but they're ugly as sin. My favorite old tools actually here. This is one I think probably from my dad, an old Stanley flathead with the, you know, the acetate handle, which is beautiful, and they feel really nice actually, oddly enough. And then we got my tiny little USA #0 Phillips Craftsman, again, the acetate handle. I like this. I think I had a set of these and I lost some of them. Either way, these are all just going to get retired. If anybody wants these things, I don't know, drop me a note in the comments. You know, I know there's people that collect or that have incomplete sets and that want screwdrivers, or if there's somebody who just knows someone who needs some screwdrivers, you have to cover the shipping, obviously, and answer some random question. Once you put the comment, I'll ask a question. If you answer it, they're yours. It's just a little fun game. But yeah, these are nice. These are very nice. I'm gonna go back upstairs, and I will definitely make a couple of. I don't know. I don't want to be like a total Karen with them. Like, my logos are messed up. And you know, if you use it a lot, those logos are gone anyway pretty soon. But I don't know. On a brand new set, I feel like that's not super cool. So I'm going to deal with that. But are these not gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, it's like the Emerald City in the Wizard of Oz. Emerald towers of screwdrivers everywhere. Either way, nobody's really covered Heyco on YouTube whatsoever, but they're beautiful. So they deserve to be spotlighted just for their sheer beauty. If not for someone complaining about the ergonomics of the handle. I mean, it is a little small. I'll give them that. The bigger one, that feels really good. It's got the little palm swells, and on the largest tools, the palm swell really fills in the hand, and that's nice. They're going to be very chemical resistant. So if I accidentally get some zip kicker or some other chemicals on them or whatever, then they should hold up pretty well. These are starting to deteriorate a little bit, it seems. These seem okay still. The rubber's still good. I didn't do a ton of greasy work with them, so that's probably why they're fine. Yeah, look at that. Green screwdrivers. Oh, gotta love it. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you on the flip-flop. See you next time.